Hello everyone, we have the project of online job portal. In this project we have two types of user. One is job provider and another one is job seeker. Job provider can provide a job and add the job, and another one, the job seeker, can search for the job and can apply for the job. So we'll start with the job provider login. So we'll click on the job provider login, and for that we have to register. So we'll click on the register. So we are completing the details. Desired username we will take as a Kishan, and we will choose the password and re-enter the password, and we will enter the web address as a kishan123@gmail.com, and we'll click on the submit button. It is successfully registered. So we'll click on the login button and we'll click on the OK. So we'll enter the username here, which is Kishan, and we'll enter the password and we'll click on the submit button. So we are successfully registered for this. In this page we have two options, log out and add. By clicking log out button we can log out from this account, and by clicking add button we can add the job. So we'll add the job. So we'll start with the location. We'll select Delhi. Functional area as a banking and job post as a manager. Vacancy will be 1. Salary as a 80,000. Date will be 2020. Month will be 4th and date will be 22. Interview time will be 12 p.m. and interview place is a Delhi. I will click on the add. So we have successfully add the job, and we will click on the logout button. So we have successfully done the job of job provider. For the job seeker we will click on the home button and we will click on the job seeker login. For that we have to register ourselves. So we will click on the register and we will fill all the details. Email address, let's take a sagar123@gmail.com. First name is a Sagar, last name is a Baldania. Desired username, which is our username, let's take as a Sagar. We will choose the password and re-enter the password. So gender will be male and total experience is 8 years and 6 months, and current industry is a banking, and key skills is a management, and we will click on the submit. So here is success. So we have successfully registered ourselves, and click on the login button and we'll click on the OK. So we have successfully registered. If we enter wrong username and password, so there will be error. Let's try it, Sagar, and we will enter wrong password, so it will give an error. So there is error, your ID and password do not match. Enter a valid login ID and password. So we will click on the OK and fill right password, Sagar, and password will be correct, and click on the submit button. So we have successfully logged into the job seeker's account. Job seeker can search, view application, and log out from this. View application means job seeker has applied for that job. So we click on that, but for now the job seeker has not applied for any job, so there is no job available, and we click on the OK. And for the search job we click on the location as Delhi. As we have entered one job from the job provider's account, we will take it as a same, and functional area as a banking, and keyword is a manager. We will search for the job. As we have add a job from the job provider account. Here is the job and all the details will be here, and we will apply for that job. So we have successfully applied for the job and we have got the interview date, time and interview place. We will click on the OK. So we have successfully applied for that, and we can search on another job and we can apply for that also, and we can apply for the multiple jobs, and all the jobs we can see on the view application. We'll click on that and we have got the name, username is Sagar and company which was provided by us, job provider name was Bhavin. We click on OK. So this is the work of our online job portal. The name of Bhavin was earlier created by me, so it is here, and we will click on the OK. We will click on the logout for the logout of job seekers account. So this is the work of online job portal, and for this project we have database also, or in that database we have used the MySQL server, and we have this database, and there are four tables in this database. One is applicant, which is job seeker, employer, which is job provider, interview details and job data. All the details are saved in this database. So and all the code are provided in the zip file. So this is the work of online job portal project. Thank you.